Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I will be sharing with you on how to create this farmhouse wooden headboard all within the budget of around $50. Now, this was super exciting to do because I didn't think I could do this all by myself, but I did. And if I can do it, you can do it too. If you're new here, hello, I'm Monica. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. I will be making videos every single week and I'd love for you to stick around. Let's go ahead and just jump right into the video so that you can get started. So first things first, I went to my local Home Depot store and I picked up all of the material that I needed. Okay, so a little detail about what I was working with is I have a queen size bed. So what I did is I went on Google and I searched standard queen size headboard. And it gave me around 60 inches. Now, I didn't want for my headboard to stop right at the rim of my bed, so I started a little bit farther away. So go ahead and just measure that, or you can go into the description down below and I can give you all the details of the measurements. So the first thing that I got was actually this material of wood. The measurements were 1 by 4 by 6 feet. I actually got 11 pieces of wood and they turned out to be $2.85 each, which I feel was a steal and they were perfect. The second thing that I needed was paint. I originally was going to be using wood stain, but I thought paint would be easier for my first project, so I found this quart size that already came with a primer and paint in one. You'll also be needing 1 1/4 inch nails, a hammer, and a paintbrush. Okay, since this was the perfect size that I wanted and needed, I didn't need to cut anything. But if you're needing to cut wood into your desired length, Home Depot does that for free. So I grabbed the next 2 pieces and I placed them away from the edge of the headboard about 3 inches. Okay, through trial and error, many errors, you want to go ahead and do 2 nails at the bottom like you see, and then 2 at the top, just so that everything can stay intact and nothing will move and everything will be perfect. So I just go ahead and nailed in 2 little nails. You see, it's okay. This is me learning. Anyways, oh gosh, okay. I forgot to mention, you will also be needing sandpaper. If you do have a sander, please use it. It will make the time go by faster, but in this case, I didn't have it with me, so I went ahead and used sandpaper. This is super crucial because you do not want your wood to scratch you or cut you while you're doing this, and also it makes the paint go on smoother. Now for the fun part. Once you've already wiped away all the sand from your sanding, you can start painting. So I wasn't intentionally going to put a piece on the top of this headboard, but while I was at Corey's house, I found this piece of wood and I begged for him to let me use it, and he did, and it ended up looking perfect. So if this is something that you'd like, the measurements will be down below.
Can't believe I actually did this. It was super fun, easier than it seemed, and I absolutely loved it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have any requests, please let me know. And yeah, I had so much fun doing this video, and I hope to see you next time.